So there are a lot of components that go into great local programming, and we focus on 4 primary pieces. The first being having really high quality coaches that emphasize player development and progression. So we're always trying to graduate the participants in our programs or the athletes to the next level of play. Second revolves around just the program structure. So just having a really good team and a really good process in place and good communication within your program. And then third is creating a safe environment. So for parents, that's one of the top things I think they look for in a program that they're going to enroll their child with, is if it's safe. And then finally, it's just got to be fun.
Some of the keys for creating and executing local programs start with knowing your surroundings, right? You have to know what you're up against. You have to know what your competitors are doing. What are the norms in that community? Do you pay the refs separately? Do you include that in registration costs? Timing of programs that are already happening. You don't want to reinvent everything. There's going to be innovation that happens. There's going to be things that you change about yours and do differently for sure. But you don't want to go fully against the grain and make people adopt to your program. So knowing your competitors, knowing the landscape is the first place to start when you're crafting that. The second thing then that we always encourage in building programs is know your differentiators, right? What sets us apart? Sticking with basketball, a basketball league for kids is likely in the area. It's in most areas, right? So we're starting one. What sets ours apart? Obviously the facility is going to be a big part of that, right? You get to play in the nicest place around. But what else? And really for each target segment of a basketball program, for example. So there's coaches. Why do people want to coach in our program above others? Why do kids want to play in our program? What sets us apart? Is it the stuff that they're getting? Is it the fact that maybe we do player introductions before every game and they get to hear their name called? It can be little things for kids, but also referees and parents, right? All those different segments, we have to identify what are our differentiators, what sets us apart and makes us the place to play, not just a place to play.